Nope, no escape. No escape. No escape. Say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. No one's seen you in a while. No one's seen you. You want to go? Okay, go ahead. I guess she didn't want to be seen, but that's okay. At least you guys got to see her. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey, and welcome back to my channel, to all of my existing subscribers. And to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to... I just lost my mind again, and yeah. Welcome to my first sneakers and handbag video of 2019. So, all right, if you guys want to see what I picked up, there's boxes that I don't even think, no you can't. There's 3 boxes here. There's another box here. Let's find out what I got, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, well, the sign behind me reads goals gone. Okay, here's the situation. I'm gonna give you a small story. Last year I was writing down a lot of goals of what I wanted to do, and I just realized I have no lotion on my hands, so we just gonna have some ashy hands. Actually, you can't tell they're ashy, but that's fine. I wrote down a lot of goals for the year, and one of my goals was to kind of cut down on my sneaker. My goal was to cut down on my sneaker buying because I lost my mind. I went really crazy. End of the year, I think I bought like 3 pairs of sneakers at the tail end of the year. I didn't show you guys those. And I was like, okay, I'm going to buy 1 sneaker a month. 1 sneaker a month. Yeah, January, I just blew that completely out the dang on water. I got 3 pairs of sneakers sitting in front of me. And yeah, I just did it. And I also today got my purse I just ordered from Fashion Files. So we're going to put the purse down for a second, and we are going to start with the sneakers. Okay. I forgot what day in January when it was 3 pairs of sneakers that I wanted, and all 3 were dropping on the exact same day. And that I was just like, seriously? So it was a pair of the new Vapor Max 270s. I'm sorry, the new Vapor Max. What else was it? It was a Cold Wall collab with Nike, and the Cav Imped collab. So I wanted all 3 of those shoes, and I was trying to go for at least 2 of the 3. That was my goal. I missed the Cold Walls. I missed those. I mean, they sold out. The black and the white both sold out. And I wanted the white, and I was so sad. The Air Maxes, I'm sorry, the Vapor Max. The Vapor Max is sold out, but then they brought them, they restocked. So now they have more in stock in the color. It was white and gold. But now I'm actually not going to get the white and gold. I'm going to get a different color, but we'll talk about that later. But I ended up getting the Cav Imps. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I'm mispronouncing it, somebody in the comments, give me the correct pronunciation. I have a feeling I'm mispronouncing it. And somebody pronounced it for me. One of the guys at the Coach store actually pronounced it for me. He's a huge sneakerhead. And he pronounced it, and then I forgot. So, of course, I mispronounced it. So, they came in this really cool black box. I picked these up from the sneaker app. Yet again, you all know I stalk that app. I stalk it every day. I stalk it. I was just on today and got a pair of shoes today. And it's February. So I picked these lovely gems up. The colorway is blackened blue and desert ochre. I think that's how you pronounce it. So it is black and blue. I thought it said black. And I was like, these don't look black. And I put on a all black sweatsuit from Fashion Nova and then I realized they're blue, which actually I do like. These are the Air Max 95s. I forgot to tell you guys that. These are so flipping cool. I love these shoes. I did get to wear them last weekend. Actually, I wore them for the first time, and they are very comfortable. They are very, very comfortable. I had to go to the eye doctor, and I took some shoe pictures, as you can see above. And they, like I said, they are comfortable shoes, and I like them. They were a great pickup, even though these were my second choice. These were actually the second choice shoes. A Cold Wall was the very first choice. I saw those last year and I wanted them. They came out in overseas first, then we got them and I didn't get them. So that's okay. I did get a good pickup. So another shoe I saw last year that was I thought was dropping last year, actually dropped in January. I thought I don't know what it is about the Air Max 97. I'm okay on them. I have a couple of pair of 95s and I like my 95s. But 97s, I'm kind of, iffy on 97s. But this pair, there's a piece that stood out on there. So, these are all men's. I'm sorry. I forgot to tell you. These are men's shoes. 7.5 is the size. Ladies 9. So, these next pair came in the red box. And these are Air Max 97s. And here they are in the colorway of Al Brown Black Elemental Gold. Here they are right here. Now, what made me get this shoe, you want to know, was this. When I saw this, I said, okay, I'm going to have to get these because this is so flipping cool that you have a barcode on your foot, basically. And I wonder if this is a real barcode. I really want to know, is this a real barcode? I would love to find out. This actually, I don't have to spray these. Thank you, Jesus. I've actually kind of took them out the box one time and I didn't really mess around with them. So I have not worn them yet. I might wear no, I'm not wearing these tomorrow. I have a different, the third shoe you're going to see is what I'm actually going to wear tomorrow. And I will insert some footage of those shoes. And actually, I'll try to insert some footage of me in these also. But these are pretty cool. Like I said, this is what drew me to them, this barcode on the bottom. But the colorway is pretty cool, and I have some sweatsuits that'll work with it. I have some outfits that'll actually work with these too. So I'll let y'all know how I feel. Also, they came with an extra set of laces, so if I want to change out from the white laces to a black or a gold lace, I can, which I like that. So, I can switch up the look. All right, and the last sneaker that you're gonna see. Okay, it's funny, every sneaker I have like a small story. I do that every time. Because I don't go in to purchase something without some sort of thought into it. And these shoes I actually have kind of looked at in and out for a while. Actually, like about a month or two, I kind of looked at them. I think I spotted them in like November, December. And I spotted them and I was like, this is a maybe. So, excuse me. I had chicken for dinner. So, when I saw these, I was just kind of like, they're pretty cool looking. And I've seen them now. They have other colorways in them. And I was going to get this in a split colorway. But I decided to pick up these. These are the Nike Zoom 2K in black and black anthracite black. These are black on black, on black on black. Basically, I picked these up. These are the weirdest looking shoe, but they're pretty cool looking. I think they're a pretty cool looking shoe. I am actually going to wear these tomorrow for the first time. I have some errands to run. Of course, it's Saturday, so I have errands to run. So I am going to insert some footage so you guys can see how I feel about them and what I really think. I've seen other people in them, and I've seen like I said, I've seen the other colorways, and they're pretty cool. So I'll let you guys know how I feel. All right, this is something I think a lot of people have been waiting for, because I know I'm one of those people, when I see a haul video, I want to see the handbags. I want to see the handbags. So of course, I made you sit through 3 pairs of sneakers to get to the handbag. So, I went to my favorite site, Fashion File, where I find all my luxury pre-loved. I do get some new luxury, you know, every now and again, but I had to get my pre-loved luxury. And my sister has been on a backpack kick, which I was like, oh, backpacks are pretty cool. But I was just kind of like, can I go to a backpack? Because you all know well, I don't know if you guys know, I'm a tote bagger. I love tote bags, especially on the weekends. I can just throw it in and burn out, you know, stuff like that. But looking at, like, my niece has a tote bag, my youngest niece, and she carries like everything in it. And I'm thinking, like, your hands are free. Granted, yeah, you got to reach around to get it. But if your backpack is pretty, I mean, backpacks can be a bit they can be pretty secure. So I'm pretty much kind of giving away what's in the box. So I've already opened the box. I already looked at it. I know normally you guys get the genuine unboxing, but today my battery's about to die on this camera. So of course, got it from Fashion File. And as you all can see, the Fashion File file that you get with every purchase is there. Here's your thank you card, my receipt, and we get a calendar, which this backpack is pretty cool, but it's huge. Looks pretty big, but that's okay. So we, as I record this video, we are on February, and of course they put Chanel in February. So, all right, let's open the box. As you all, like I said, I already told you I opened the box and saw it a couple of minutes ago because I want to see how big it truly is, because for some reason on the mannequin in the picture, it showed it looking pretty big. And I was like, I don't want the pet to be too big. So I had to pray and pray and pray that this wasn't too big. But when I got the box at work, I found out that it wasn't too big. Thank goodness. Let me pull up the specs on this really quick for you guys. Okay, and here it is in the Fashion File dust bag. This bag did not come with its own dust bag, which kind of made me a little sad, but that's okay, no big deal. But what I picked up is the, oops, let's back it up. This is the MCM Vesto Side Stud Small Stark Backpack in the color Coral. It is looking really, really pink right now, but I'm going to have some shots of me modeling it over here so you guys can see. This is not a huge bag at all. Like I said, the mannequin kind of made me think it was bigger than what it is. The size of it is, the drop is 1.75, height 12.75, and width 5 inches. All right, let's see what's in here. All righty. All right, this is the inside of the bag here. And on here it says it's in excellent condition, which really, I like the word excellent condition. Looks like we get 2 pockets in the front. We have a pocket in the back with the MCM. Oh no, you could put a tablet in here. Looks like you can put a little tablet in here. So like my iPad could probably fit in here, which you put my iPad in here. It says it came with its authenticity card, which, here it is, the authenticity card right there in the front pocket, which I do keep my authenticity cards also to my bags. And it comes, let's see, like I said, it has the little pocket for your, like your iPad, and it has a little zipper pocket right here. This is actually going to become my everyday bag, maybe. I'm not for sure if this is just going to be the weekend bag or the everyday bag. I haven't made a full-on decision on it, but this is so cute. I was actually torn between this and another backpack from MCM, but the problem was with that one is in the description on Fashion File, it said it had a smell, and I don't do well with smells, so that wasn't happening. I mean, but this is a really good size backpack. It's not too big and it's not too small, so I cannot wait to wear it. I'm probably gonna wear it tomorrow. So, you know, I do like this. This is really cool. And that is it for this video. All right, Let's see. I have a bunch of videos in the hopper. Well, not in the hopper yet. I actually have to record another video this weekend that you guys are going to see next week. And actually, I'm going to record 2 videos in one day. So you're probably going to see me in the same outfit twice, possibly. No, I'm not, because I'm going to record the following video the next day while I put some makeup on, because my eyebrows are... I gotta get my eyebrows done, y'all. That's why y'all been seeing me in my glasses a little bit more and no makeup, because my eyebrows are bad. Okay? I can't let y'all see these. You can't see them. So if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna have links to everything below. The only thing I probably might not have, well, no, I'm going to try to get you a link for the calved imps if I can. They'll probably be from StockX maybe, so it'll be on a resale site. But the other 2 pairs of shoes, I believe, are still on Nike's site. I believe, yes, they are. They're both still in stock. So I will get the, I will get you guys the links to that. The bag, you all will get the link from Fashion File, but it's going to say sold because it's in right here. It's in right here, and I'm about to fill it with my stuff, so when we get out tomorrow, it's already ready to go. So like I said, if you have any questions, talk to me below. You saw all my social media screens at the beginning of the video, actually on this side. You saw all my social medias on this side early in the video, and that is it. I'm gonna get out of here. I think I'm gonna try to write this paper tonight. If not, I'm gonna watch the rest of the Ted Bundy tapes. If you guys have not watched the Ted Bundy tapes on Netflix, give it a watch. It's pretty cool. It's not, I'm not cool, but it's really wow. And I was young when this stuff happened, so it was like, whoa, you know? So let me get out of here. I'm rambling. Let me get out of here. Love, peace, hair products, tech, sneakers, handbags, luxury, all that fun stuff. Bye.